Today, we're taking a tiny children's electric car and transforming it into a fully functional mini electric vehicle that can carry an adult. Let's begin by looking at our base machine. This small electric car is designed for kids, which means limited power, low weight capacity, and basic components. Before upgrading anything, we need to understand its weaknesses. With the body removed, we can see the hollow plastic interior. This frame is far too weak to support adult weight, so reinforcement is our first priority. We begin strengthening the chassis by installing steel reinforcement bars. This internal frame will provide the durability and support the original toy car lacks. Once the metal structure is secured, the car becomes much more stable and capable of handling an adult's weight safely. Here, you can see the difference between the original tiny motor and the powerful brushless motor we're upgrading to. This new motor will give the car the torque and speed it needs. The brushless motor is mounted inside the chassis, connected with a chain or belt drive. This gives the vehicle a strong and reliable powertrain. Next, we replace the heavy lead-acid battery with a modern lithium battery pack. Lithium batteries are lighter, more efficient, and deliver much higher performance. The new lithium pack is securely installed inside the reinforced frame. Clean wiring ensures safety and long-term reliability. The original plastic wheels offer poor traction and can't handle extra weight. We're upgrading to rubber tires, which provide better grip and stability. The new rubber wheels are attached to the car. This upgrade dramatically improves handling and allows the vehicle to support heavier loads. We connect a brushless motor controller and install a variable speed throttle. This gives us smooth acceleration and precise control, something the original toy car lacked. For safety, an emergency cutoff switch is added. This allows us to instantly shut down power if anything goes wrong during testing. With all upgrades complete, the car is fully assembled and ready for testing. It now carries real power and a strong structural foundation. Surprisingly, even an adult can now sit comfortably in the modified vehicle. The reinforced frame and upgraded components make this possible. On the test track, the mini electric car performs brilliantly. The new motor provides smooth acceleration, and the rubber wheels keep the ride stable and controlled. This tiny toy car has been completely transformed into a functional, adult-capable mini electric vehicle. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more creative engineering builds.